As we all know, cases of new infection, which is black fungus or mucormycosis, is emerging in COVID patient. So in today's video, we will discuss about black fungus, its causes, symptoms and prevention. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dija's Healthy Life. So what is black fungus? It's a rare deadly fungal infection among COVID patients. It is deadly because patients' mortality rate is more than 50% and it affects the sinus, the brain and the lungs, and patient can lose their eyesight permanently. That is why it's important to all the COVID patients to must be aware of black fungus. So what causes black fungus? The black fungus infection is caused by a group of molds called mucormycosis. These molds live throughout the environment. Mucormycosis mainly affects people who have health problems or take medicines that lower the body ability to fight the germs and sickness. People with diabetes or those on steroids and humidifier oxygen for a longer period of time, and COVID patient with pre-existing chemotherapies are more at risk. So, compromised immunity is the main cause. The risk can be avoided by avoiding prolonged use of steroids and keep a check on your body's immunity. Let's discuss about black fungus symptoms, which are facial deformation, headache, facial pain, nasal congestion, loss of vision or pain in eyes, altered mental state or confusion, swelling in cheeks and eyes, or black crusts in the nose. If you see any of these symptoms, don't waste your time. Seek medical attention immediately. Now coming to the precautions for black fungus in COVID patients. Keep your immunity strong by eating nutrition-rich diet and adding more portion of fruits and vegetables in your diet. You can also take multivitamins. Control your hyperglycemia. Monitor your blood glucose level post COVID-19 discharge and also in diabetes. Use steroid judiciously and don't overdo it. Take special care of immune compromised people or people who already have a lower immunity due to underlying health issues like diabetes, cancer or heart patients. And in the end, don't lose crucial time to initiate the treatment, as this disease is very deadly if it reaches the brain, but the patient can survive if they got the treatment at the right time. So don't avoid the symptoms. The treatment involves antifungal medicines or surgery if required to remove the affected area.